Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life.
Hey family, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today I am doing a massive cleaning, you guys. It's going to be a 2-day cleaning. This is my first day. I am attacking laundry and my downstairs area. And then in the next video, I'm going to be doing some decluttering and more cleaning, attacking the mudroom and my pantry office area. I mean, just a lot of cleaning and decluttering that's going to be taking place. So today's video is all about laundry, and I still have more laundry to do. So that will also be in the next video as well. But I'm just in my bedroom, starting out with, putting laundry away, and then I am going to also be in my kitchen cleaning and washing these dishes and getting all the countertops cleaned up and everything, and just kind of moving throughout the entire downstairs. It is cold. It is like -8 degrees outside, and because it's been so cold and a lot of the snow and salt and everything, my floors are filthy. So I am going to go ahead and sweep and vacuum, and then in the next video you're going to see me doing some mopping and wiping down on my floors. So let's go ahead and get into this video.
Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
So normally my son does the dishes, but I told him, I said, I'm going to be cleaning up downstairs, so don't worry about the dishes tonight. I got you. And I actually started cleaning my house in the morning. If you can see in the previous clip, I started out, it was daylight outside, and it's now evening, you guys. I had to stop in between to take care of my daughter, make dinner, drop my daughter to her practice, her basketball practice and her rehearsal, and then I had to go back and pick her up and come back to it. So it gets dark here at 5 o'clock, and so it's like the time, it goes by so quickly. So I try to do as much as I can in the morning, in the daytime, but then nighttime creeps up, and it is what it is. So I'm just washing the dishes, and we do have a dishwasher, but the dishwasher is not working. So I am the dishwasher. My son is the dishwasher, which is fine. This is the way we used to do it back in the days. So we're not, we're not novices. We're not novice to washing the dishes manually, which is fine. It's very therapeutic for me anyway. So I enjoy washing the dishes. So that's what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to start wiping down all the countertops and my stove, which you can see, it's absolutely filthy.
I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone.
So we were actually in the process of, starting a renovation on our kitchen, and we quickly stopped the renovation because we actually decided to sell our home. So we are in the process now, actually today, as I'm talking to you, Thursday, our home is now live on the market. So we're going to be selling our home and purchasing a new one. So we just decided to halt the renovations because the amount of money that we were going to put into the kitchen, we'd rather just take that and put it on, as a down payment on a different house that is easier to deal with. And I mean, this house is it's a lot. So we halt the renovations. As you can see, I was trying out paint colors and everything like that, and yeah, so that's why that is the way that it is. And I still have Christmas up. Yes, I have not taken it down yet. We are in the process of doing that because we are going to start packing soon. And if you guys want any type of packing tips or anything like that, let me know down in the comment section, and I will definitely include that in one of the episodes, and even show you guys how I pack for a big move. So let me know definitely down in the comment section if you're interested in anything like that.
Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes with his humble and everlasting ego.
So if you are new here to my channel, I just wanted to welcome you and thank you so much for joining me today. Your presence here means so much to me. And I also want to let you know that I do have a main channel. It's a home decor channel at Home with Shoshana. And on that channel, I do lots of home decor, seasonal decorating, and thrifting as well. So I would love for you to head on over there. I will have the link down below where you can go ahead and check it out and subscribe if you choose to. Also, don't forget to subscribe on this channel as well. It just means a lot to me, all the support and love that you guys have been really showing me on this channel and also on my main channel. So thank you guys so much.
Someone hurt your feelings not that long ago, and every bit of you couldn't face the truth that maybe you're just not that nice and humble kind. That would be a
So now we are in my family room, and I guess this is a nighttime cleaning. And I'm just kind of tidying it up. Nyla, my daughter, was in here all day today watching her Yo Gabba Gabba, and the pillows and everything just went haywire on the floor, which is fine. We're in here all the time, and that's why we have a family room, and that's why I make it so practical and kid friendly, because I want my home to be a home where our kids can throw the pillows on the floor, throw the blankets on the floor and curl up and watch a movie, or it's not like too fancy or too things are not too precious where they break and I'm losing my mind. I love the fact that my home, our home, is a lived-in home, and that's what I love about it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sweep. I actually lost a clip of me vacuuming my family room, so Sorry about that, but you will see me vacuuming in there a whole lot while we're still in this house. So now I am getting these diapers out of these boxes. So my daughter Nyla, she has Downs and she's being potty trained, so she's still in diapers, and so we get monthly deliveries for her, from a company that we use. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out the boxes and then organize them in her closet. So that's what I'm doing now.
Your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble and everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes, with his humble and everlasting ego. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, I'm looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. You got me feeling uncomplicated. Whatever happens is meant for us. Rushing into all the situations. Whatever happened, we came there first. Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell me we ain't something special. Wrap me around your solar system, make me do whatever that you want me to do. You got me dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire.
So now that I am done with the cleaning, this is what the spaces are looking like, and it feels so clean and fresh and cozy, and I just love my home, especially in the nighttime, because when all the lights are on, I don't use overhead lighting in my home, rarely. But when all the lights are on and just a twinkling of the Christmas tree, it just feels so warm and cozy and, inviting, and just makes me want to curl up with a blanket and watch a nice cozy winter movie. So that is definitely what I am going to be doing once I am done with, all the laundry, and you'll see in the next clip, that's what I'm going to be doing. So more laundry is never done. We're a family of 5, so I always have laundry, and I try to do at least 1 load a day or 2 if I can. But it's never ending. So let me know if it's like that too in your home. So I want to thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you guys were cleaning alongside with me, go ahead and drop a heart emoji down below just to let me know you guys lasted this long and that you guys were also, cleaning alongside with me, or even just got some motivation to, get up and clean and whatever, or if you just love watching the video as well, drop that heart emoji down there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember that Jesus is Lord. He loves you, and I love you too. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.
Go a little wild is your personal expression. Far over the line, tell dancing in your storm, burning everything we know, dressing up as firefighters. You got me dancing